Markets looking to finish the week very much in the negative with a really red start to the day, and Donald Trump is back on the mic. Let's have a look at today's market setup. It's May the 23rd, and we are at the opening bell. So economic calendar is just going to be skipped for now. We'll try to come back to it at the end, but let's have a look at the markets where, like I said, a lot of negativities out there. The US 30 is currently down about 511 points, well off the morning low. The 500 is currently down about 76 points, and tech currently down about 337, and we're about 2 minutes from the bell. But if we have a look at our confirming indicators, well, gold is up $55 this morning. Silver is currently up about 10 cents, but crude down about 78 basis points. Now, the big ones here is if we take a look at the US dollar, down about 50 basis points, really inching closer to that 99 even mark. And if we have a look at the 10-year yield, it is currently down 1.5%. So some very big moves with both of those numbers. We definitely want to keep an eye. As I've mentioned before, I really don't have a lot of faith in the US dollar, and we know generally the debt market is really in a lot of trouble, and volatile movements like this are very concerning. Now, what triggered a lot of this negativity? Well, we have Trump once again talking tariffs, threatening the EU with a 50% tariff. At the same time, he's also come at Apple, which Apple has seen as much as a 3% drop in early trading, with a 25% tariff, depending on whether or not they're going to choose to change manufacturing. But let's have a look at cryptocurrencies, because after yesterday's massive run-up, we're seeing a lot of red across the board. Not surprising here. Bitcoin currently pulling back about 2% over the last 24 hours, and Ethereum currently down about 3.25%. Everything else, like I said, pretty well red, with the exception of a few standouts like Solana, for example, up 0.06. Nothing spectacular. I'll see you at the opening bell.